Okay. Audio should be back now. Whoops. Sorry that there was no audio in the beginning. I forgot to plug in my mic. Anyway, we're gonna do some Firebase today. So hang on. So let's up Firebase Flutter pub, add Firebase core. Oh, you know what? I should probably show this on the other screen so you guys can see what I'm doing. Get started. Flutterfy is like the easiest way to set up Firebase and that, so hang on. I believe it's either H. Yep, there we are. So Flutter pub add Firebase core. Just let that add itself. Dot pub global debate letter file. So I'm hoping that it's still active actually. I don't know if I installed this on Linux. I haven't, so I need to activate it. Cool. Oh, I need to add this to my path. Okay, hang on. Cool. If I exit now. See, and then if I no, I don't have one now. Slash message. And then my syshrc. Let me just add it here. Okay. Cool. If I now reopen Anachrony and just slap it there. Okay, you guys see it? Yep, cool. What's going on? I just had a notification from my phone. DHL order, that's fine. Astaghfirullah. Just heard something from a mate. Oh, I need to install Firebase. Scared the absolute shit out of me, honestly. Continue to log in and test the CLI. There we are. Cool. And let's do this. Create a new project. Goal underscore tracker. Ah, shit. Might need to make this full screen in it. Hang on. You know, I'll make it online and then I'll select it from here. Hang on. By this. Let that create. Ugh. Continue. There we are. So if I do Flutter via computer, I should be able to just select the one that I want to use now. Come on. There we go. I'll just talk in here. Okay, so let me go into them. let me just check that I've done this the right way in mine, so it doesn't get lost. Oh, you might be wondering why I'm using Firebase. Basically, I'm gonna chuck the secret keys that I need into remote config and then just retrieve them from there. So if I go into lib main, I just need to do that, and then I just call it like normal call. And then let's yep, that's fine. I might just grab what's it called? I'm hoping that adding lint to this will just like make it a bit better, honestly. Installing. Cool. And then example. Course doesn't show me any errors. That's bloody great. Anyway, now that I've done that, I can grab my API key and chuck it into Firebase remote config. So hang on, let me check out the remote config on Monorate. I know I made a provider for it, but I'm going to make a service for it instead, just because that makes more sense. So hang on, if I go into providers, then I know there's remote config here. So let me look up Flutter Fire, get started. No, I'm gonna have to make it bigger, aren't I? There we are. CLI remote config h Flutter pod add Firebase _remote config Flutter pod add Firebase analytics. Okay, get remote config, that I can do in the other one, setup and default parameters, that's fine, get parameters I use in that, set parameters in remote config backend, fetch and activate, throttling, next steps. Okay, so the way that I done it in here was, okay, if I go into that, there we go. This is going to be a remote config service, so remote config service dot. If I go into here, I want to import package Firebase config slash Firebase remote config dot, and then I want to grab I have there's a services pack. What? Okay. Are you able to mute a... Yes, you are able to mute a server. That's great to know. Ugh. Anyway. I know the man that might not even join because I'm streaming right now. On platform exception. Catch exception. Print the exception. And then I wanna catch exception. Print to catch remote config cached or default values. And then print the exception. And return no. Okay, I'm just going to open that in a browser somewhere else just so that I can see how I've done it. I don't want to share the API key that I'm going to have with you guys. Sorry about that. If you want to do this, please get your own API key. Firebase, Google, and then Unsplash. Cool, go to console. How did I do it when I was making my played up monoarray? It's in remote config. if it wants to take me there. There we are. Cool. So I can do something similar, but change it to goal tracker. Huh? The project does exist, the hell? Oh, it was given a different name. That's fine, I shouldn't need it. That's alright. Then I have those now. So as I currently have those, I can literally just do future list string get keys async. There we are. So that's the service for remote config, just to retrieve the API keys. Then I need to get the documentation for the API. Hang on, let me grab the API documentation. Let me Control C this. Cool. Registering your API libraries in this case, that's fine. This external API provider, I'm just going to rename to, what's it called? Network service. network service. Endpoint. Get request. So I need this one. Let's first make the constructor. Watch, I guarantee one of my mates are gonna come in the chat, yeah. Not in the chat, in Discord, and gonna scare the shit out of me. Okay. Did Yahoo Finance require a thing? Hang on. Yeah, put it in the header. Oh, I don't need body. That's fine. Cool. Then in here, I do get data. Whoops. Need to change this to lowercase p, don't I? There we go. Whoops. Cool. So now that I've done that, I can cool. then I can create a service, an Unsplash service. Looking at this. Okay, hang on. So inside here, I want to first export network. Okay. Yeah, no one's joining me in voice chat. That's great. I love how Firebase sends me an email saying welcome to Firebase, like I haven't used Firebase before. That's so funny. Oh my days. Anyway, there we are. I exported those. W. I go into no, not that one. This one. I can do import package Firebase config slash Firebase config import class, and then I'll just change this to unsplash service. Final config service bracket remote config colon Firebase remote config dot instance final string URL. What's the URL for this? pi.unsplash.com. I know there was a specific key to insert whoops. Let me just check if those are right. Access and secret key. Access key, secret key, there we go. Haven't even got that yet. Let me do this first. Unsplash service. I just want to run get keys. then feature void keys async. Okay, so hang on. I'm thinking maybe I don't need to access the individual ones. Maybe I could just like access the, maybe I don't need to return a string, I mean a list. Maybe I could just return each one and store it. Ah, well, that's great. Okay, so what it looks like I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to do a final keys list equals 08 config service dot get what's it called? Get keys. Right? And then because I've done that, oh wait, I could just do that. I'm so dumb sometimes, genuinely. Late list bracket string keys list just like that. And then when I want to access it in here, I can just call the index of the specific key that I want to get. Simple. I'm so dumb sometimes, honestly, genuinely. Okay, and then I just need to do feature search photos, search photo, and then I need to do async do I not have endpoint defined? Ah, I need to actually supply the endpoint. That's funny. What's the endpoint they have? This is the endpoint. So it's in here. I just done. Sorry, I include the. Hang on. There we are. Then you have parameters, which in this scenario would just be I want to see the actual API call. Yahoo Finance did have one for the news. Nope. Here we are, parameters Q. So here I would have parameters, right? Parameters, then inside here I would have query, search term. Do I need a region? What's in here? No, just a query. Cool. There we are. Then headers. What do I need? I feel like this doesn't work though. If I just chuck that in, will that work? Yeah, need OAuth token. I want to see an API call. What is the API call? Is it just client-id? Then please list 0. If it is, that's mad. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I want to see a curl request. Every other thing has like code of how you do a request, yeah? I don't understand why they don't have code. Client underscore ID. Yeah. I'm assuming that's it then. So inside here, that's fine. That's fine. What do I do in here next? Panel ticket list. Okay. So that's headers. Don't have body. And then final photo list. Right. Network service. Get data. If photo list dot runtime type is equivalent. That's basically saying if an error message is returned, return error. Otherwise, now here's where we structure our data. So I'm just trying to think, how does the data look in here? So this has results, then user links. Total pages results. URLs, links. What image is this? That's a speaker. If I look at the API link, what does that look like? The access token is invalid. Let me try something. Oh my days, that is so dumb. I just queried the API with my client with the authorization token inside of here, and it works, and it pulls the data from this. But that's so stupid because that's so unsecure when you're actually using the API. Now I understand why they wanted you to like build your own API for this, because that's so unsecure. I don't know how this is owned by Facebook. I'm pretty sure Unsplash is owned by Facebook. So that's mad. So for each result, grab URL slash regular, or should I do URL slash raw? Should I do full? What's full look like? Nah, that's not it. Raw gives you the raw image. Yeah, I'll just grab raw then. So inside here, it is photo list bracket and I'll do results because the API has them all in results, right? Because you have how many results. Then inside results you do dot for each, right? Let's just do that. Element and then space open close. There we go. If element bracket API. I just need to check what it looks like again on this. That grabs a random photo. I need to look in results. Grab if that with URLs, then raw not equal null. List images, image model, images equals an empty list, right? And then all I need to do is just make that image model. So hang on. Final string image URL, right? The reason I'm making an object for these class is so that I can, so that instead of me having just the strings, I know specifically the type of that object is image model. So when I want to access the specific image URL, I don't specify an index. I can just specify, I can iterate through each of the objects and then specify that I want to get image URL from that object. So that's image model. I can then have an export here. So that jumps out of services. Then I want to go into models. Then I want to grab export. just so I can have that image model, right? Then inside of here, I want to, after iterating through each one, I literally, whoops. Just want to have an image model. So final image model equals image model. I forgot to make a constructor, so hang on. Inside image model, I literally just want to have a constructor. Whoops. Undo. That says image model required this dot image URL. Right? So then when I'm inside here, this is just going to ask me, oh, provide an image URL. Simple. Literally, image URL. What's it called again? Element bracket URLs. Draw as string. There you go. Then after it's done that, after it's done this, we just want to add that to the images list. So then we do images.add image model, right? Then after this function, we just return images, right? Then if we get an error instead, else if photo list bracket, does this have a status? Doesn't even have a status. Else, just return this. Doesn't matter. Cool. Okay, so that's that done for getting the data from Unsplash. Okay, what else do I need to do? I need to load the images in a grid that is clickable. So hang on. Whoops. Yep. Let me just check what that is in. Did I call it? Yeah, okay. So inside of create goal, whenever I call this, I also want to pass in the images. Hang on. So first I do this, then I want to call a function which retrieves those images and gets them, right? So I want to yeah, that's fine. Final list bracket image images class list image images equals empty. Let me grab there we are. When you do that in here too, don't I? That's fine. Then inside here, I can just return images here. Right? That's fine. Then inside here, I just need to model out each of these into their own grid view. So grid view level. Cross axis 2. Yeah, that's what I want. Should I do a grid view builder? Yeah, that's calm. So instead of me needing this, that's fine. Still need that. Inside here, I don't need this anymore. So basically all I'm doing is I'm gonna do the search inside of search unsplash. So so in here I have I don't even need this function. I could just do the call here. I do need to create a unsplash service though. So hang on. Why? Here's me losing my mind. Yeah, that's fine. Then inside here, I want to do a grid view dot builder. How did I do it in here? Because inside of end user, I have a news tab. News tab inside here. That's fine for lateness. Okay, so I have DW. Right? And then I don't need a superior state. Then on here, how did I do it now? Oh, I'm so dumb. Why didn't I just look at this, man? Genuinely, why? Oh, fuck. Nope, let me just remove this. Ugh. Alright, let's go. Okay, so we have a I'm going to change this for single child score view. Right, and then I'm going to have a child with a column, right? Inside here, I'm going to add the column again. Going to increment that. Going to tab this in. Okay, and then inside the children, I'm going to have the future builder. Now I'm going to simple. Then I'm going to have a child of future builder. Right? Inside here, I'm going to have the future, which is unsplash service dot get images. The unsplash service images. Get photos. Right, then I'm gonna have the builder, which has context and the snapshot. Okay, so for this future builder ends where? That ends there, that ends there, that ends there, that ends there. That ends there, that ends there. That ends on this tile. This ends on card. This ends on the item builder. This ends on the list builder. This ends on this if. So inside here, if snapshot dot has data, and then snapshot dot connection state equals connection state dot done, right? Then we want to do stuff in here. Otherwise, we have an else for turn once simple child circular progress in the view right? So that covers the whole this if to there, right? Now we're doing the inside if. So this snapshot stuff. So then we have if snapshot dot data dot runtime type not equal to string. Not equal to string. Because we return a string error if it does have. Okay, cool. Otherwise, else return const enter for the child of text that could not fetch images. Right, cool. Next, inside this, where we have our snapshot, if there is data, we want images to be equal to image model. Then we have images equal to snapshot of data and slash bracket image model. Then return this, right? So we want to return a grid view dot builder, right? And then over here, close that. Where we have cool. Then we have some more from inside here. Flutter. No, I'm gonna keep that open. Flutter click bubble image bar. Okay, I'm gonna combine some stuff. So item builder, right? Build context, index, turn, gesture detect. So I want a gesture detector for each image, right? So that's what I'm doing here. So I'm making a gesture detector, right? Then I have an on tab for each, which is just going to be an anonymous function for now, which just prints. How do I do it in here? Here we go. It will just print images bracket index dot image URL. For now, that's what I want that to do. Right? Then underneath that I have a child, which is the container in here that has an alignment of align.center. It has a declaration in box and a color border radius circular bracket 15, right? And then that's the end of the declaration. Then you have that's fine, that's fine. Cool. Okay, so container with a decoration. Okay, then we have an image inside of it. Decoration image. Inside that we have image colon network image bracket images your image URL and then fit box fit dot fill. Come on, that's fine. That's fine. That's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be like that. Let's just have a comma there. Here we are. Hang on. So this goes to there. This goes to that one. This goes to that one. This. Whoops. This goes to. That's the wrong one. On tap goes to there. Yeah. Indentation is such a bitch, honestly. Hang on. Okay, hang on. So that ends. Okay, this and that go to there, right? Then all of this is indented. Okay, cool. Then we have that, and that match. Okay. Turn. Okay, so this is to have that, right? So Bathman. Okay, hang on. So this to there, this and this match up, right? Cool. Next, we're going along. Those two match up, that's fine. This match up. This and that are supposed to match up. That matches up with that. This matches up with this. This matches up with that. This matches up with this. This matches up with that. This matches up with this. Okay. Nothing here. Okay. That's that. Yeah. Yeah. There we are. Okay. That took so much brain power for me to try figuring out. Okay, so once you click on it, it's supposed to go to a new window. I just need to check that image URL is correct. Image URL. Cool, image URL. Could not fetch. That seems fine for now. Okay, so on this on tap, you want to go to a new screen that lets you. Oh wait, I've finished implementing Firebase. No, I haven't finished implementing Firebase. I finished implementing Unsplash. It's just now I need to do this, and then update delete. How long have I been streaming for? I've been streaming for 1 hour and 33 minutes. That's a lot of time. Jesus. Oh, my days. I'm currently streaming to Discord and to Thing in case the Mandem want to see it. So if you want, you can watch. Yeah. Yeah, none of the Mandem are gonna see it, but either way, it's there if they want to look. So I've done that. What's next? I should probably commit all of this, you know. Here and all. Jesus. Okay. What else did I do? What else did I do? I have screens. Create grid. For answer. Display. Hang on. Hopefully you couldn't hear that. I just need to cut a part real quick. Displaying from inspiration one. Cool. Then we have Next steps are creating UI for entering a savings amount, specifying duration for say things, and then storing this data in Firebase Cloud Firestore. What else can I do? Then I need to list view up goals that have been created, update goal name, duration, amount, image, delete goal, I think that's about it. You know what, just to save time, I'm going to add this data to the initial screen and just pass that to the next screen over. Then when a user selects the image that they want to have, that will be the they've chosen the image that they want to use. So they'll scroll through the images. When they click on one, that'll be them choosing that image for that goal, and it'll create the goal and send you back. So if I go into them, that's goal name, and do final text editing follow. And then final cool. Plus goal, this should be amount value 1 to funny more values into else if value less than equal 0. How did I validate balance? Manual account form. Have an amount validator. Nope, not in new widgets, it's in utilities, form validators, amount validator. What does it do here? That's fine. Ah, user regex, okay. Else if, let me just grab this regex. Else if not regex has match for that value. Return enter a valid amount, right? So this will allow, this should allow all, most numbers probably. Yeah, it should allow most numbers, except for non-zero numbers. So you can't just enter 0, if that makes sense. It has to be 0 point something. What else? Inside of here. Inside of screens. Manual account. And then manual account form. Interim. Instead of this, I want to change this to, what's it called? Amount controller text. Inside here, there should be duration controller. Please enter some. Please enter. Please enter. 3, 4, gold. Let me grab this. the search term. Then there is amount, and then there's duration. Inside here, we're going to have this, then cool. Then get photos legit dot search term. That's fine. What else can I do? I need to make the one for Firebase, don't I? Hang on, let me make the Firebase service. Database provider. Inside here, I'll just call it database service dot. It's gonna require Flutter file. Cloud Firestore. Okay, let's do this. Then await if Firebase installs app, secure storage, encryption. That's fine, that's fine. Okay, cool. There we are. Then inside of SRC, inside of providers, then nope, not this one. Inside of database provider. Here we are. So, whoops. Inside of database service, I want to import package colon cloud underscore firestore slash cloud underscore firestore. Then I want to, I don't think I need models yet. No, I will need models. Import models, export dot. I should need utilities class, database service, final fire, date, image. Do I even need that models? Database service required is .db. Then, no, that's fine. Lake collection reference, goals collection, goals. Future string new goal async. Inside here, I literally just want to pass in. I can make a goal model, can't I? It has string goal name, final string goal, final string month, name, amount, duration, image, URL. I want this to take a goal model, so required goal model, then inside here I want to do final document. Hang on. Yeah, I don't even need to do that. I could just await and then add. Await goals collection dot add gold model dot to map. Right? And then inside of gold model, I can just add a to map. So let me check out my models. Chat model, map, to map. Okay, so inside here. Dynamic. Map. Turn. Name. Name. Mount. Mount. Duration. Duration. And image URL. Image URL. Right? Then inside of the database service, that's fine. And all I want to do is just either return. I don't even need to return anything, do I? I just return void. There we are. So that creates a new goal. Then inside of my search, all I want to do is when I click on that image, it's going to, oh wait, let me just check in create goal that I removed the image placeholder. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Cool. It's removed inside of here. I want to, when I click on an image, I want to call database service. So hang on. That's services, it's got services, cool. Then inside of this function, I want to make a, how did I do it when I was doing messages in here? Screens. Not chat screen, it's previous messages, isn't it? Previous messages screen. I have that, that's fine. Get user ID, make new chat. Okay, so it's future void new goal sync. Then inside here, try what's on the catch. Catch pick print an exception. That's good enough for now. Inside here, literally wanna oh yeah, I need to final database service equals database service db. What do I do in Firebase auth? Because the way I done it before was you have to be logged in to be able to write to the database. But what I'm doing now is you don't need to be logged in to write to the database. db colon Firebase firestore.instance. Then up here, I just need to import package colon firestore /cloud firestore dot. Then that's fine. Register user, sign in, forgot password, profile. There we are. So inside here, I just need to do database service dot get. Okay, so it's await database service dot new goal. Okay, so final goal model equals goal model bracket name colon widget dot search term amount colon widget dot amount duration colon widget dot duration. And then inside new goal, I need to pass the image. I need to pass a string in it, so string image URL. Then inside here, I have image URL comma image URL. Right? Inside new goal, I just pass in goal. Yeah. So once that finishes executing, inside of database service, just to make sure it's require goal model. Okay, and then goal model has amount duration, name amount duration image URL. Name amount duration image URL, that's fine. Inside here, I'll update this after, but that's fine for now. Then once that's done, that'll make a new thing. Then I need a push a replacement, so hang on. So inside here, I need to call async on this. Then I need to do wait new goal bracket images bracket index dot image URL, just to call that, right? Then once that's done, it needs to call navigator.push. So where is my navigator.push replacement? I just need to go back to the home screen, so I need to go to home page. Navigate to a new screen. Okay, so literally in here, all I'm gonna do is that X is fine. Okay, so here I'm going to navigator push replacement context, comma material page root bracket builder colon build context, right? And then this should just go to menu page, and that would be home page. Let me just check that home page is called home page. It's called my home page. Inside here, I just need to import it just needs to import export debug now to be able to access homepage. So inside here, it should have all of them, yeah. Inside here should have all of those. Inside here should have all of those. That should have all of those. That should have all of those. Should have all of that. Then I need to make, what's it called? I need to make the delete, so the view goal page. So the only things that are left are view goal, delete goal, and update goal. So, and loading them in from Firebase. So if I go to screens, couldn't I just like read them all from Firebase? So hang on, if I just retrieve the collection from Firebase, can't I retrieve all the documents from a collection? Flutter, retrieve all documents from a collection. Yeah, it's just gonna take a while. So, I don't even know if update and delete are like extra tasks or just tasks that I've like given to myself, just thinking about it. Hang on. What was like, oh, this is extended. You do not need to create any form of registration login. Anyone more interested in how you get complete application, you're free to develop stretch tasks. If you want to show further capabilities, consider adding the ability to delete or change a goal. So delete and update are like, oh, so I'm nearly done then. So all I have to do is just display the goals on the homepage, and then I'm just submitting it. That's all. Anyway, that's good to know. Let me just get goal. Wait a minute. Write data to Firebase. Couldn't store goals in Firebase. List of changes. Network at the cloud file stable. Create service to write data, write go to cloud file store. model, created a model for goals to use in when writing to create code to send data from search images to cloud. Added fields for duration and amount on the goal page. Next steps. Goals from cloud files to display home page. Clicking play, let's update and delete goal sections. So if I go to my GitHub, I'm coding this quite quickly, honestly. If I didn't have my honest project, I probably wouldn't be able to code as fast as this. There's only 5 commits, but the way I'm committing makes it very like readable. Like say for example this one, like this is extremely readable, and then you just go through each line and be like, okay, that makes sense when you're reading it. Like I haven't written anything that's gonna be like, oh, you can't understand it. But yeah, what do I have to do now? Is it finally saying that there's more Dart than C++? Yeah, nice. Anyway, what do I have to do now? Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do the rest of this tomorrow. Yeah, I'll do the rest of this tomorrow. So the retrieving the data from Firebase, loading it into a view builder on the homepage, I'll do. Then I'll try to do update and delete, where you click on an individual one and it retrieves the document for that goal, and then you can update all of its fields. But honestly, if it takes like really long to do the other stuff, I might just like leave that and just try to fix the application as I'm coding it, because I haven't like connected it to my phone to check if the code works. Like I'm just guessing that it does. But yeah, hopefully you guys join the stream tomorrow, but if not, at least I'm streaming so that you guys can watch it back. If you like the video, please leave a like on the video. If you dislike the video, please leave a dislike on the video and comment down below ways that I can improve content on the channel. Again, sorry for no face cam. My phone is my face cam and I forgot to connect it today, but yeah. If you like to support the channel anyway, I'll add some links in the description for ways you can support me, either through Patreon, Stream Elements, buying my merch, whatever. Up to you. Just check out the links in the description. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to improve the content I'm making. But yeah, thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.